One of the more grueling jobs in software development is maintaining an up-to-date README file. Several variables, including the development environment, tooling, and project requirements, frequently shift over the course of a project lifecycle. Stop wasting time writing documentation. Today, we'll show you how an AI MCP server can analyze your entire project source code and generate a perfect README file in minutes. In this quick 3-minute video, we break down the step-by-step process of using a specialized prompt to analyze code and automatically generate a polished README file. This architecture diagram illustrates how the Claude Desktop app communicates via the Model Context Protocol, MCP, with your Python server, enabling the AI to interact directly with your local files to write documentation. Step-by-step install instructions are given in the video description. Here is a high-level, step-by-step explanation of how this server.py script functions as an MCP, Model Context Protocol server. 1. Framework initialization. The script starts by importing FastMCP and initializing a server instance named Smart Readme Maker. 2. Registering the AI tools. The script uses Python decorators at mcp.tool to turn standard Python functions into specialized tools that an AI can see and understand. The 3 register tools act as the AI's hands to interact with your computer. List_directory_structure. This tool takes a folder path and looks through it recursively. It safely skips heavy or hidden folders, like .git or venv, and builds a visual tree map of the project. This allows the AI to see what files exist without opening them all. Read_file_content. Once the AI spots a relevant file, like a script it needs to document, it passes a file path to this tool. The function opens the file, reads the source code, and feeds the text back to the AI. Write_readme. After the AI analyzes the code and generates the documentation text, it invokes this final tool. The function takes the generated text and saves it as a new readme.md file in the targeted directory. 3. Starting the communication lifecycle. The script executes mcp.run. This starts an infinite loop that keeps the Python process alive, waiting for JSON RPC commands from the AI client, executing the corresponding tool, and returning the results back to the LLM. This simple Python project accompanies a YouTube tutorial on AI RAG. We will use the Model Context Protocol, MCP, tool to generate a comprehensive README file. This is the prompt we will use in Claude Desktop. Make sure to give absolute path for the project folder. The MCP server is generating the README file. Yes, it is done. Let us open the file. It has step-by-step instructions for the entire project. Let's do one last test. This is a Django-based Python project for a YouTube video where we vibe code a full e-commerce app. The MCP server acted as our documentation tool and generated this README file. Let's take a look at the step-by-step instructions it created. Now that you've got a free, local MCP server handling your document creation, you can finally kick back and relax.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this video was useful.